Good morning, everybody. It's your girl, Lavina. And today, this morning, is Friday, the day after the hurricane. You guys, well, 2 days after the hurricane. I'm hoping, you guys, everything is okay. I can make a little shmoney because you know your girl needs the shmoney. I tried to come out here yesterday and it wasn't nothing popping. Okay, stores didn't even open at noon and blah, blah, blah. And I was just about tired of that anyway. So I went on home. Me and Will, we was doing it together. But now, today, I'm out here by myself. I just got my first Bing of the day, McDonald's, and it's going to be going 2 miles and something. It was a total of 5, but I was on my way to this area anyway. So it count, you know, once you get here too. So it was like $5.62. So hey, I'm about to go grab that, deliver that. So I'll see you guys when we get to the McDonald's. Okay, y'all, we at McDonald's. Let's go ahead and pick up this order. Okay, you guys, Diansky or something like that. We got her order. We're on our way to drop off. Yeah, y'all, I was in there. I think I pulled my back or something yesterday, cleaning up that debris in the house. But yeah, y'all, that took a little bit longer to pick up. But hey, it's okay. It took like 5 minutes of me waiting, but it's okay because I know people still, McDonald's is still, they got a lot going on in there from the hurricane. Okay, y'all, we're on our way to Diansky house. See y'all when we get there. Well, when I get there. So y'all, this is actually a Portobello's employee, I'm assuming, that ordered the McDonald's. So let's deliver them their food. Now I hope that, because the lobby is not open. Oh, here he come. Here this person come. Hello, delivery for Diansky?
Yes, thank you. Code is 6377.
Thank you. Diansky is delivered. See you guys on the next Bing. Y'all, I know I said about I don't really take them little low batches, but we just got it'll be a total of 3 miles and something, but I am like 2 miles away. Okay, you guys, so it's only actually when I get to the McDonald's, it'll only be like a mile or something for $4 and something, y'all. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it because I'm literally trying to get all the money I can until 12 or 1 o'clock. Y'all feel me? It's hard out here for your girl. Okay, see y'all when we get back to McDonald's. I swear, it took me 5 minutes to get, like, I was at that light for a ridiculous amount of time. I don't know what's up with that light. But we at the McDonald's, y'all. Let's go get, what's their name? Let's go get Kim food. We have Kim order. Now we're on our way to go deliver it. Yeah, y'all, she tried it. Ain't no power in there. I opened that door to get to the rooms. Y'all, it's pitch black. To my delivered to my door. Lady, bye. I'm not about to walk through no dark hotel. All right, y'all. See y'all at the next Bing. Well, you guys, we're here at Chick-fil-A to pick up Brianna's order. It's pretty crowded, as you guys can see. So I'm going to run in here and try to make it quick, but, you know, I don't have no control over that. So, you guys, let's go ahead in here. I don't know how it is in here, but I'm hopeful because ain't nothing going to stop me from making my shmoney today. I know that. All right. Oh, look like it. I hope that's mine. Okay. Brianna. Oh, what? Thank you.
My pleasure.
Have a good day.
You as well.
Okay, y'all, we picked up Brianna. Time to go deliver Brianna. See y'all when we get there. Okay, y'all, we here. It is definitely crowded in here. Let's go pick up Paul's order. It is definitely crowded. Let's go pick up Paul's order. Hopefully it's ready like last time, you guys. Let's see. Oh, nope, it's not ready. So we'll just have to wait. Paul, yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, y'all, we got Paul. It was a little wait, but it wasn't that bad. She made me mess up my screen. I was trying to get it for y'all, you know, showing her handing it to me. Okay, y'all, we about to deliver to Paul. Y'all, we back at Chick-fil-A picking up for Justice. You guys, this was a $5 batch. Chick-fil-A is off the hook. I guess everybody's starting to wake up. So let's see how long it takes us to grab this order. Go ahead. No, that's okay. Thank you. Sorry. Okay, see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, it wasn't long at all. We have Justice order, so let's go drop that off. Y'all, it's so crowded, honey. It's so crowded. All right, see y'all at Justice. Okay, you guys, hopefully McAllister's don't take all day. I'm telling you, to be honest, they normally do. So we'll see. So we here to pick up our orders. See you guys when we get them. Okay, you guys, this is Edlene's order down here, and then these 2 bags and another bag over there is Kim. So let's go deliver them. What's up, y'all? I just accepted a batch at Taco Bell, but it is super crowded, and Taco Bell is notorious, you guys, for being extra slow when you picking up for DoorDash or Uber Eats. So we'll see if we even keep this batch. I'm gonna go in here and see what's going on, what's up with it, because if it's too long, y'all, unfortunately, I'm canceling this. Yeah, like I thought, we're gonna go ahead and cancel this because I'm just not gonna wait. It's smoky, like it was a fire in there or something. It's packed in the inside, packed on the outside. She telling me they super behind. So what that means for me is I'm gonna be waiting. And no thank you. All right, y'all. Okay, you guys, we're on our way to deliver. I ended up taking 1 DoorDash and 2 Uber Eats. So we got Brittany, Marsha, and Maureen. Let's go deliver their food.